It looks like something is hiding in this sand. Whoa! It's some purple animal. It's an octopus. Hi, friends. Today we'll be paleontologists. We will look for dinosaur bones. The sand is so soft. Do you see it, guys? Wow! I've never seen anything like this. We gotta examine it. It's hard. Is it rock? I've got an idea. Let's put it in the water and see what happens then. We'll need quite a lot of water. There we go. Time to experiment. Will this thing melt? What do you think?
Yes!
Whoa, it's absorbing the water. Look at that. Do you think it's become softer, guys? Let's give it some more time. It needs to soak up lots of water so it gets soft. I think that's enough. It feels nice and soft now. Soon, we'll find out all its secrets. These are the tools we'll use today. That's how real archaeologists and paleontologists do it. We gotta be really careful not to damage the ancient animal's bones if they're in there. I see something white. It might be a dinosaur bone. Let's keep digging. It would be so cool to find a dinosaur bone, wouldn't it? Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, before humans. They disappeared when a giant space rock known as an asteroid hit Earth. But to this day, we still find dinosaur bones called fossils. Scientists dig them up very carefully. Wow, look what we've got! What an exciting discovery! These are the dinosaur's front legs. Let's continue. Maybe we'll find something else. By the way, not all dinosaurs were huge. Some were as small as a chicken. Can you imagine? Many dinosaurs also laid eggs, just like birds. We can even say that modern birds are relatives of ancient dinosaurs. And isn't it exciting? Wow, more bones! Let's clean the dirt off. Do you know what this is? This is one of the dinosaur's hind legs. Let's put this hind leg aside for now. And move on. Have you already figured out what dino it might be? I think it could be a T-Rex. That would be awesome! Although the T-Rex had tiny arms and very strong legs, so it's probably a different dinosaur. Ha! It looks like we've got another bone. Let's remove the dirt. Almost done. Just a little bit more. We need to be very careful not to damage it. I wonder what bone this is. These are ribs. Do you see? So cool. The ribs helped protect the dinosaur's organs. It's getting more and more exciting. You know, dinosaurs lived on every continent, even Antarctica. Some dinosaurs ate plants, others preferred meat. Look, there's another bone here. I hope we can get it out without damaging it. Almost there. I'll just clean off the dirt and we'll see what it is. The moment of truth. It's one more hind leg. Now we have two of them. Looks like we have a whole set of legs for our dino. Let's keep searching. Oh, what can this be? I have one idea, but I want to see more first. We need to get a clearer view. By the way, guys, dinosaurs came in many colors, not just green. And some of them even had feathers, just like birds. Anyway, let's see if we can get a bone without ruining it. Yay! It's moving. I'll clean it more. We gotta free the other end of this bone too, to be able to take it out. Otherwise, it might break. And we don't want it, do we? Ha! I think I know what it is. It's a tail, guys. A very long tail. I will put it here, with the other bones we found. Let's continue our work. Sometimes it takes years to find a dinosaur bone. Can you imagine? So we're actually pretty lucky today, guys. This dinosaur doesn't seem to be very big. What do you think? By the way, the biggest dinosaurs weighed more than elephants. At the same time, the smallest dinosaurs were about the size of a pigeon. Can you imagine a dino this small? What a cutie! Anyway, let's check this out. Oh, I see. It's the lower jaw of our dinosaur. Let's put the lower jaw together with other bones. I can't wait to see what else we'll find here. Actually, paleontologists don't always dig. Many work in labs and museums. What would you guys prefer? Searching for dinosaur bones or working in a lab? I think I'd rather look for fossils in the wild. Sounds like a real adventure. Also, it's like solving a giant puzzle. You find only a few bones, then figure out what the whole animal looked like. Don't you think it's super exciting? Plus, some fossils are older than mountains. Imagine digging out something that old. Oh, and fossils aren't always bones. They can be footprints, eggs, or teeth. Another cool thing is that scientists are still discovering new dinosaurs. If I found one, would it get named after me? Good question. A little bit more brushing. There we go. Now, what's this? Whoa, it's a skull! Fascinating! I'd better keep this skull together with the other bones we found. You see, paleontologists don't use big shovels all the time. They often use tiny brushes, toothpicks, and other tools to clean fossils with great care, just like we're doing it now. It looks like we're halfway there with this find. Just a bit of patience, my friends, and we'll see what fossil it is. What could it be? Seems to be pretty complicated, don't you think? Isn't it cool how we're digging up history? I am really enjoying this process. Even though they've been extinct for quite a long time, dinosaurs can still teach us new things. Okay, now we gotta remove this chunk of dirt right here. Wow, just look at this. It's a spine. Let's take a closer look at this very complicated bone. And just like that, the spine here joins the other bones. There's this piece left. Let's clean it. The dirt is falling off quite easily. Just a few finishing touches. I'm using a soft brush. Otherwise, I might damage these tiny, thin, ancient bones. These are ribs too, guys. Just what our dino was missing. They used to protect the dinosaur's organs on the other side of the body. Are there any other fossils here? There's only one way to find that out. Nothing so far? I still can't find anything else. Maybe we've already found everything there is to find. See? Nothing. Okay, I'll just check one last time. Wait a second.
Whoa!
Look, this is the other part of the skull. We already have one part. Now it's a complete skull. Well, guys, that's all we've got. Now let's put all these bones together. The tail goes here. Very well. Wow, that's a long dinosaur. Have you figured out the name of this dino yet? I think I know what it's called, but I'm not 100% sure yet. See that? It has these massive spines on its back. It's gotta be our clue. I'm so curious. We're like real scientists, putting the bones together to find out what type of dino we've found. The hind legs are in place now. Awesome! And the front legs go right here. And the other one. Ah, great. It's time to assemble the skull. The lower jaw is missing. Now I'm sure. It's the Spinosaurus. Thank you for digging it out with me, friends. Good job. See you again soon.